3, 2, 1.
You're watching
TKO Takeover.
We are here to help you with your everyday needs.
Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear all cache in Windows 10. So first up, head on over to the Start menu, right click, and go to Run. From here, type in prefetch and simply press OK. And this might pop up, just simply press OK to run as administrator. And you're going to have a bunch of different files here that are taking up a lot of space. We have 258. So simply click on any item, press Ctrl A, and then simply press Ctrl D. And this is going to delete the check mark on here and press skip. And there's going to be a few files remaining that you're not going to be able to get rid of, and that's okay. Again, we're going to head on over, right click on Start menu, select Run. From here, now we're going to delete our temporary files. So let's first do temp, and we're going to have a bunch of them. I recently deleted, so I don't have many. You're probably going to have a couple hundred. Again, click on one of the files, press Ctrl A to select all, and then press Ctrl D. The files, press Ctrl A to select all, and then press Ctrl D to delete all these files. And there's going to be some that you can't delete, which is okay. As you guys can see, I have a few left over. There's nothing we can do about that. Those are programs that are just running. And finally, last but not least, do that again. Right click, run, and we're going to do %sign temp. Get rid of all these files that we can, and we can try again. See, we still have a few left. Once you've done that, guys, we're going to head on back to the Start menu. You can left click this time, and we're going to search for this PC. Simply just click on it here, and right now we're just going to click on this, the C drive. We're going to head on over to Windows, and we're going to head on down to Software Distribution. This is simply after you've gone here. On here, head on over to download. This is going to be all the files for the Windows update. They save them on here, so if you've updated Windows 10 a bunch of times, you're going to have a bunch more files. But since I have a newer version, I don't have that many to delete. But you can just delete everything in this folder, continue as administrator, and delete all of those. Once you've done that, you can head on back to the Acer C drive. It's going to depend on your system, of course. We'll just go back to this PC, go on back to your C drive, and you're going to go Properties, right-click Properties, and go to Tools. And here is where you can optimize and defrag your drive. I definitely recommend doing this maybe like once a month or every couple of weeks. 0% fragmented, so you can simply press Optimize, and from here you can optimize your drive if necessary. I definitely don't recommend doing this if you have a C drive or if you have an SSD. That's not necessary. So once you've done that, it's going to take a little bit. Head on back, and now we're going to do cleanup, disk cleanup. This is a simple way to get rid of all the pesky files that you aren't using. I've recently done it again, so I don't have too much, but this will empty your recycle bin. It'll do all that for you. Make sure to select all these. We have 1 gig in there, so already we're going to be saving 1 gigabyte. And after you've done that, all you do is select cleanup system files. This is going to clean up that pesky mess, and after we've done this, we're going to run it once more. Once you finish disk cleanup and defrag, head on over to the Start menu and right click and go to Command Prompt Admin. And here we are. Once you've reached this area, all we're going to be doing now is we're going to be cleaning the cache for our DNS. So what you want to type in is ipconfig/flush and then DNS, just like this, all capitals for the DNS, and then just simply run that, and it'll successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. All right, once you've cleared the cache for the DNS, we're going to head on back down to the Start menu, and you're going to right click and select Run. From here, just type in WS reset, and this is going to clear the cache for the Windows Store, and this will pop up, and this may take a few moments, and once this is done, the Windows Store will pop up indicating that it has worked. I hope this video helped you clear all